Hello everyone, I'm Andrew Olson. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome just the same. This video is unused footage for one reason or another from my October 2019 trip to see the steam trains in Essex, Connecticut. I had a lot of fun filming around the Connecticut Valley Railroad's Essex station, although my camera work definitely needs some improvement. Every time I go out to film a new video, I get to see interesting things such as old number 40 here, which incidentally was 99 years old when I filmed this, and has since passed its centennial. I learn new things, see unique places, and of course gain experience using my camera, which is always a plus. And every once in a while, I meet new people along the way. On this trip, I met this up-and-coming photographer named Tony. He seemed like a fairly stand-up guy, out practicing his photography. We'll meet him here in just a moment.
Taking pictures or video?
Pictures. I saw you up at Goodspeed.
Yes.
Yeah. I was going to stop and ask you, but there's too much traffic. What do you do? Movies?
Both.
Ah, okay. You want to stand right here? If I'm in your way, just.
No, you're fine. I'm just making sure I'm out of your way.
Ah. Are you doing this for fun, for profit, or class, or what?
For fun.
Okay.
I've got a YouTube channel I started a little while back.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for the photo, Tony. Thank you all for watching. I look forward to seeing all of you in my next adventure. Until then, take care.